Welcome to the chaotic world of Raju, a hapless mechanic whose life is a series of misadventures and unpredictable events. In this story, you'll meet a cast of quirky characters, each with their own unique quirks and dreams. So buckle up for a hilarious, unpredictable ride. 10 years ago, young Raju would fix toy cars with eyes shining with excitement. His father would often chide him, saying, "ये सब बेकार है, पढ़ाई कर नहीं तो मैकेनिक बन जाएगा." Fast forward to the present, Raju is now a grease-stained mechanic, struggling to fix a sputtering scooter. Raju son, aliens spotted in Mumbai. Google car le.
बबलू, पहले मेरी स्कूटर को फिक्स करने में हेल्प कर ले, फिर एलियंस ढूंढना। अरे डांस फ्लोर नहीं, पर मैं क्या करूं, पाउन ही नहीं रुकते।
तेरे हाथ में कितनी ताकत है, पर तू ही मुझे गिरा देता है। राजू, 50,000 का कर्जा कल तक चुका, नहीं तो aliens key agent हो सकते हो मामा. And so begins the roller coaster of Raju's life in Golmaal Zindagi, a hilarious, unpredictable ride.
इस नेकलेस से मेरी प्योर करियर की यादें जुड़ी हैं। रिपेयर इट फास्ट। मेरा नेकलेस। गाय के पेटमैन।
देखा, एलियंस ने गाय को माइंड कंट्रोल किया है।
अब हम मिशन चैलेंज नेकलेस पकाओ गाय बचाओ।
And so the gang chases Gari, the cow, who trots away calmly. अगर नेकलेस 24 घंटे में नहीं आया, मैं तुम सबको, अरे ये तितली कौन है? इंटरपोल की स्पाई होगी। गाय को ढूंढो, गाय को बुर्गर बना देंगे, या फिर स्टेक. Bullet Bai, a flamboyant gangster obsessed with his sentimental wig, adds another layer of chaos to Raju's already tangled life. And so, we move into Act 2 escalation. Alright folks, we need a plan. Actually, we need 3 plans. Plan A, Plan B, and Plan C, Sab Golmaal.
Bablu, you're always overcomplicating things. Let's just focus on Plan A first.
Hick, Plan A is just like my old days. Always needing a backup. Shh, everyone focus. Plan A, we corner Gowrie in the rural fields. Simple, right? And if that doesn't work, Plan B. We present this glittery, obviously fake necklace to Mr. Javali. And if all else fails, Plan C, we hide in the old mansion. Cobwebs and flickering lights should scare them off. The gang, with their plans set, braces for the chaos ahead. Their escape plan is as intricate as it is absurd. Will they pull it off, or will everything turn into a big golmaal?
Didi, गाय को भी डांस सिखाए।
To drink or not to drink? अरे मैं तो लासी पे रहा हूं। ये नेता झूठ बोल रहा है। इसके फॉरेन अकाउंट्स सब स्विट्जरलैंड में। आप भी लोग समझ रहे हो ना? ये सब कितना गोलमाल है। The moment of truth arrives as our heroes face their ultimate challenges. Each character has to confront their fears and make choices that will define their futures. The stakes have never been higher, and the resolution will be nothing short of extraordinary. तुम सब ने मुझे अब तक का सबसे गंदा एक्सपीरियंस दिया है। मैं तुम्हें माफ करता हूं। Covered in mud and facing Bullet Bai's wrath, the gang stands united. Just as tensions peak, Raju Mama appears, demanding his debt, adding another layer of chaos to the already messy showdown. Dekha, main sahi tha, aliens exist. Tujhe samajh aaya haath. Ab to sab golmaal hi hai. As life returns to a new normal, Pinky opens her dance school, Chacha finds solace in philosophy and Pan, and Bablu feels vindicated by the latest news. Amidst the chaos, one thing is clear: life is one big, hilarious mess.